friends, I have come from Chandigarh just to meet you all.
Thank you.
My lecture is over. So, now what I want to tell, I am Unicorn CEO, life coach, motivational speaker in 10x money business and personal development coaching. What I do, I just charge my friends who Hello, dear friends. Wonderful Wonder Tips is bring again a solid podcast. And what is that? That is podcast with our co-founder of Anukul apparel brand Adaptive Type, which is very easy to wear. And you will see how in some trouble people enjoy with these type of shorts. I had been in textile line for 44 years, I tell you guys, but I have never found this type of thing. Plus size, minus size, kids, everyone is there. But this concept is totally from our founder, Sarita Madam. So I tell you, I am going to introduce you, but before that, I want some energy in you so that you welcome our podcast, this co founder, and I'm attaching now, introducing now. So, fasten your seat belt. Let us go for next 30 minutes with full josh. सो दोस्तों जोश शानदार होना चाहिए, चीज़ों को समझें और आगे से आगे इस पॉडकास्ट को आपने भेजना है. यू विल हैव टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल and send it all this video wonderful podcast to your persons. So now I am introducing, yes ma'am, Sarita Kamath. Tell me, what about your company, what about you, and then I will be formally starting our question answer in our podcast. Go ahead please. Welcome.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for that wonderful, energetic introduction. I'm thrilled to be a part of this podcast. And yeah, so let me tell little about Anukul. Anukul जैसे नाम कहलाता है, पहनने में जो अनुकूल है, दैट इज आवर अनुकूल ब्रांड. तो बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको रेगुलर कपड़ों को पहनने में दिक्कत होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल समबडी हैविंग फ्रोजन शोल्डर राइट आफ्टर सर्जरी, जिनको से पैरालिसिस होता है स्ट्रोक की वजह से या किसी और कारण से, जिनको एज की वजह से मोबिलिटी चैलेंजेस होते हैं, इन सबको रेगुलर कपड़े पहनने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है. सो इफ यू कैन इमेजिन कि कोई अगर हाथ नहीं उठा सकता है या किसी कारण की वजह से अपना घुटना नहीं बेंड कर सकता है, तो वो लोग कपड़े कैसे पहनेंगे. एंड दिस इज अ चैलेंज दैट इम्पैक्ट्स नॉट ओनली कि उस वक्त कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते, आपका सोशल वेलबींग भी इम्पैक्ट होता है. क्योंकि कपड़ों से हमारी पहचान है, हम सोशलाइज करते हैं, वी फील गुड व्हेन वी वेयर गुड क्लोथ्स. तो दिस बिकम्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. और जस्ट इसी यूज केस के लिए हम लोगों ने बनाया है अनुकूल, जो पहनने में एकदम अनुकूल और एकदम आसान है. बेसिकली इट लुक्स लाइक रेगुलर क्लोथिंग, बट इट इज से अ टी शर्ट विच ओपन्स फ्रॉम द साइड और बैक और फ्रंट. Similarly, we have pants and shorts and kurtis and all of that. They look like regular clothing, but because of their different types of openings, किसी में magnet लगा हुआ है, then it becomes very easy to wear for people who have challenges. So that's about Anukul.
Wonderful, Sarita. You have given great introduction for your products, and I can imagine that how energy you are imparting in your telling passion about your brand, because you are so young and you are coming up with a wonderful brand. And I tell you, time will come when you will be giving your products in such a way that you will have to give them waiting time to the people. But I will tell you, give priority to the first person who needs it on most. That is my
Ab-
advice. Okay. So
Absolutely.
thank you, thank you. So my dear friends, आपको कैसा लगा, हाउ यू आर एंजॉइंग, अपने कमेंट्स से इस पॉडकास्ट को आप भर देना और इसको जितना भेज सकते हो भेजो, क्योंकि इट इज नॉट ओनली ब्रांड प्रमोशन, इट इज प्रमोशन फॉर ए कॉज. आप किसी असहाय व्यक्ति की मदद कर रहे हैं और मैंने ऐसा देखा है, एक बार मुझे भी 2 साल तक कुछ शोल्डर फ्रोजन हुआ, सारी फिजियोथेरेपी करवा ली, नहीं फर्क पड़ा। फिर किसी ने किया, बहुत अच्छा हुआ। तो ये हाथ उठाना मुश्किल था, तो जब उठाना मुश्किल था, शर्ट पहनना, बंद गले का कुछ पहनना, इट वाज वेरी टफ। और ऐसी सोच आज इस यंग जनरेशन में आई है, ये स्टार्टअप शुरू किया है। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल एंड आई ब्लेस यू विद द special permission from God that go ahead and win the world with your brand. So, this is one thing. Now we are going, my dear friends, with question answers. Before moving to that, I will tell you all my viewers, you all know me. I am coming every day at 5:45 a.m., 5:45 a.m. sharp for some podcast, some live sessions, and some very important, personal topics, and which help people. The thing is how I can make persons happy in their life. And it becomes, when you choose to be happy, you become what you think. So I will call you every day on my YouTube channel so that you can enjoy those words. I promise you, you just come 30 days and you will be happy all over your life. So today, one podcaster come unicorn CEO VK Chaudhary in 10x money business and personal development. And secondly, promotion is going on for Sarita Kamath Vora's wonderful product, which is very ear for clothing. So, my dear friends, I am now going for formal interview. It will be very interesting. Fasten your seat belts and just see the energy, how you are getting, how you can help to your known one. So that's why I request you spread this podcast whenever you get it. So first question, Sarita, what inspired you to create Anukul Adaptive Wear?
I would say that it was an incident in my family itself. When my mother-in-law had frozen shoulder, when she was having difficulty to raise this hand, it was very difficult to find clothing. And then I started searching for it. I started searching it on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. मिलता तो था नहीं, बट कमेंट सेक्शन में जाती थी तो मुझे दिखता था, डू यू हैव समथिंग दैट ओपन, डू दीज बटन्स ओपन, बार बार कस्टमर्स यही पूछ रहे थे। दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वंडरिंग कि ये सिर्फ मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये बहुत लोगों को चाहिए। एंड देन आई वेंट एंड डिड अ लिटिल मोर रिसर्च एंड आई फाउंड दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव ब्रांड्स इन द वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज and somehow it's not available in India. Then I thought this challenge needs to be solved, and that's how we started Anukul.
Wonderful. And I tell you, Sarita, this podcast will be broadcasted in more than 70 groups of LinkedIn and around 70 groups of our Facebook. And you will be live with me for about 15 minutes one day, maybe today or tomorrow, on Instagram live also, so that people can know. Only the awareness is needed. And my dear friends, you will be lucky that you can help someone who is in urgent need. So coming on to my next question, just take serious focus. And that question is, who are the people you created these clothes for, and what challenges do they face with regular clothing? Although you have told something, but be specific and tell it, please. Go ahead.
Absolutely. So our clothing is absolutely normal looking, cheerful clothing. So basically anyone can wear it. But specifically हम लोगों ने जो बनाया है, I would say ऑर्थोलॉजी यूज केसेस, जिसमें अगर फ्रोजन शोल्डर है या कोई सर्जरी हुई है उससे उभर रहे तो, एंड न्यूरोलॉजी केसेस, पार्किंसंस, अल्जाइमर्स, डिमेंशिया, स्ट्रोक के पेशेंट्स के लिए, जनरल ओल्ड एज जिसमें मोबिलिटी चैलेंजेस हो उनके लिए, एंड ऑन्कोलॉजी यूज केसेस के लिए। बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट क्या होता है कि एक ट्यूब, ड्रेन ट्यूब होता है विच दे हैव टू कैरी विद इन 24/7। आप नहा रहे हो, उठ रहे हो, बैठ रहे हो, आपको वो यूज करते रहना पड़ता है। सो दैट्स व्हेन वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ गाउन इन विच इट कैन बी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड वेरी इजीली एंड इट कैन बी कंसील्ड ऑल टुगेदर। व्हील चेयर यूजर्स के लिए हम लोगों ने बनाया है जिसमें यूरिन बैग, पीरियड बैग वगैरह इजीली कंसील हो सके, दैट काइंड ऑफ concealed bag. So overall, this is our target population.
Hats off to you, Sarita. You have done a wonderful job. You are doing at Anukul. It is beyond imagination. As I have told, in 44 years, I could not found this thing. And now you are trying. So all the best wishes. And now coming on to the next question. How does Anukul make clothing easier to wear for people with limited mobility or medical conditions?
Correct. So I would say that there are two people we are addressing. One is the patient itself, and second is the caregiver. So typically, I would say if you have a bedridden patient at home, it takes two people to clothe that person. One person needs to lift the weight of the person, and another person needs to actually put the dressing. तो हमारे कपड़ों से ये हो रहा है कि one person can do it themselves. How do we achieve this? Like, you don't have to lift the weight of the person. You can just open it and wrap it around and wear.
Okay.
और यू कैन जस्ट पुट वन पार्ट ऑन द क्लोथ. जैसे टी शर्ट अब अगर आप हमारा देखें तो इट स्प्लिट्स इनटू टू पार्ट्स. तो आप एक नीचे रख सकते हैं, दूसरा साइड से वेलक्रो से उसको सील कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू वेयर.
Very good.
And that is for the caregiver. For patients who are in a very basic stage and they don't need assisted clothing, then it's like simple front open, back open, side open से आप जिस एरिया आपका इम्पैक्टेड है वो आप लास्ट में पहन के सील करें. इस तरह से हमने बनाया है. मैग्नेटिक बटन्स है. तो इफ somebody has पार्किंसन, जिनको ट्रेमर्स आते हैं बेसिकली, और जो बटन नहीं पहन सकते, तो उनके लिए इफ दे जस्ट होल्ड वन बटन, द रेस्ट ऑफ इट अलाइंस. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी हैव क्रिएटेड
Okay.
Anukul Ladda.
Wonderful, wonderful. My next question is, can you share a real life story of a customer whose life was made easier by Anukul clothing? Means
There
some
are so
testimonials.
many.
A
Yeah, yeah. There are so many of them,
huge
and
breast
every
too.
day we get to
Huge,
hear it makes my
huge
day,
two
and
breast
that is
too.
what actually keeps me going. Okay, so if I have to select one, I think this was a gift from a husband to his wife. Who had dementia. So, one more thing that happens during dementia is, sometimes you're wearing your clothes wrong way, ulta पहन लेते हैं, या different ways, and she was not looking presentable. So this bothered the husband a lot. And then he said that I want to solve this, and he called us and he ordered it from us, and he was very happy. So one good thing about our kurti, because it's velcro and it has to be worn like a coat and see, there is no way you can wear it wrong. So just to see his wife presentable and confident again, right? That was a very nice emotional story I came across. And our urine bag pants have been making a lot of impact. So we had visited a rehab center recently, and there were a lot of people who were actually below poverty line, who were impacted by some accident or uh, accident in the factory and so many other things, right? And when we spoke to them, by large, the biggest concern was that I don't want to wear this urine bag pant all the time. It's very embarrassing for me to show my urine bag pant in front of others. Can you do something to conceal it? And that's when we started this design and we implemented a urine bag pant in which it's totally concealed. Even the tube भी नहीं दिखता है, वो अंदर से connect होके जाता है. And when they received it and when we got feedback, that was like so nice. And I had a smile the entire day that day. I still remember. So.
Yes, yes. I can understand, Sarita, your energy, and you are really lucky because these type of thinkings when come and can give value to the people's life, it create
Absolutely.
totally changed version of yours, and you are blessed again and again. So tell me next question. What was the biggest challenge you faced while building the brand and how did you overcome it? Because it was new thing, challenges come, how you dealt with that.
I think one of the challenges I would highlight is हम लोग medical, me and my co-founder both are not from medical background or actually manufacturing background. So to generate awareness and to tell about this concept, make them understand and make it reach the customer, we had to learn a lot of medical terms ourselves. We had to TKR बोल दिया. TKR क्या होता है? Total knee replacement के customers को जरूरत है. But learning this medical terminology, understanding कि किस use case के लिए किस तरह से बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, that learning curve was very steep. So that was one of the challenges we faced.
Wonderful. Coming on to the next bouncer, that is,
Mhm.
how do you balance lifestyle comfort and functionality in adaptive wear?
So basically, one thing, in Anukul, the last part spelling हम लोगों ने COOL लिखा है cool. The reason is that we wanted our brand to stand for being cool. क्योंकि सब लोगों को ऐसा लगता है पेशेंट मतलब आपको बोरिंग कपड़े पहनने या हॉस्पिटल गाउन पहनना, that is the only option available. So what we do is we specifically, when we are picking the fabric, we bring very cheerful prints and very good 100% cotton. So that is what people would prefer wearing in India on a regular basis. So we want that to be there. And it should not look like it's different clothing. It should look like your regular clothing with which you're most comfortable. So that's how we are right now balancing adaptiveness with functionality and fashion.
Wonderful, Sarita. It is really amazing what you are telling, and people will be liking it. And what I am feeling at the moment, how to convey them, how to advertise them so easily. So I think this podcast you can utilize everywhere this link, and we'll be
Absolutely.
doing it. And in coming 6 months, your brand will be having some another level. That is my wish because you are working for the cause of the people. So next question comes: what feedback have you received from caregivers, doctors, physiotherapists about Anukul? Just sort of previously it was customer who was giving feedback. Now it is the organizations where your products are cherished. Go ahead, please.
या आई थिंक फीडबैक इज वेरी क्रिटिकल क्योंकि हमारा कपड़ों का कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम अलग है. वी कीप लुकिंग फॉर फीडबैक फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. एंड आई वुड से कि हम लोगों को एवरी बैच वी मेक वी लुक फॉर फीडबैक एंड वी ट्राई एंड इम्प्रूव एंड मेक इट इवन बेटर इन द नेक्स्ट बैच. सो इफ आई कैन से दैट पहले हम लोग साइड ओपन जो बनाते थे, थोड़ा उसमें फीडबैक आया कि आप साइड से थोड़ा और कर दीजिए ताकि व्हेन यू मूव योर हैंड्स or something it does not brush, so we just moved it even further. So every batch we see how can we make it better. So we made our oncology gowns and the feedback was हमारे ड्रेन चैनल्स तो कंसील्ड है, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, कैन यू गिव एक्सेस टू कीमो पोर्ट ऑल्सो. So this way we keep getting interacting with the users, customers, the doctors, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, and keep taking the feedback and making our product even better.
And I think, Sarita, you are having
Mm-hmm.
wonderful website, and you are on
Absolutely.
Facebook, then LinkedIn and Instagram, so many social media channels. And I will request all my friends that they can just subscribe that your YouTube channel and follow all the social media handles and share it, because it will be a great service to the mankind when you will be sharing, and people of such need will be able to get it. That is really beautiful. And I tell you guys why I am coming live every day. I'm just attaching this question with Sarita's matter, that I am coming live for last 192 days. Today was 192nd day. Only 4 days I could not do. In between, two times I was on flight, one time on marriage, and one time on train. But in daytime I managed. But if I say that I am doing at 5:45, it is 192 days. So my dear friends, that tells my discipline. Similarly, this website is going to play a great role in your life. सो आपको हर रोज आना है क्लासेस में. एंड आई टेल यू, सरिता, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग,
Mm-hmm.
लाइफ कोच. I am solving 5 problems of the people, pain points rather. Number one, I am just helping them to be addiction free. If addiction free is the person, he is champion. Number two, I am telling that have wonderful health so that up to 70 years, no need of even single medicine. Number three, always feel you are more than enough. When you feel you are more than enough, this means total abundance is coming from all sides, financially, this mentally, spiritually, physically, relationship wise, everywhere. Fourth thing is, these days relationship issues are going, you know, like this, because of ego, because of not respecting each others, because of not trusting each others. If we are not doing all these things, how we can present ourselves as a role model for our children, for our family, relatives, friends, all over? So, my dear friends, I will feel that you will have to learn. And finally, fifth thing is how you can make every day 10 minutes in spiritual things like meditation. And there I give little bit flavor of hopno and emotional freedom technique. So you have to take two things from this same frame. One, to give comfort to your lifestyle when you are in trouble. Second is, again, when you are shaking your way somewhere sideways, just come with me, consult with me. I am going to give you some wonderful tips so that you can enjoy. So all the best. Now coming on to next question. Tell me, dear friends, till now, how you have liked this. I think you are enjoying it and you will really enjoy. My next question comes, Sarita, where you feel that your brand will be within next 3 years. Are there some any upcoming innovations or some product lines? What is your view? Means how you are thinking? Please.
So I would say our model is largely B2B and D2C. So B2B में हम लोग हॉस्पिटल्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन होम्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, रिहैब सेंटर्स, न्यूरो सेंटर्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हैं. एंड D2C इज बेसिकली हम लोग, हमारा खुद का वेबसाइट है, सोशल मीडिया है, एट्सेट्रा. सो right now we are only in Bangalore, but I'm hoping that in the next 3 years, fingers crossed, we should be in at least the top five major cities in India, and be making more awareness about our brand. Product wise, I would say हमें तो कस्टमर्स ही बताते हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है. वी गो टू देम एंड दे टेल कैन यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी सॉल्व अनदर प्रॉब्लम. Otherwise, what started as a basic thing at home, and I just started with front open kurti, it went into so many different product lines. So I'm sure our customers will tell us what new products are coming in the upcoming days.
Wonderful. Sarita, one more thing I will add here for your just knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
He was a garmenter also. When I was making around 3,000 t-shirts, tracksuits, all these things, nobody thought that what step I am having in my mind. My thinking was not to give to local people only, to Bangalorean or say wherever I was working. I started meeting heads of apparel divisions in Amazon, Flipkart, and then this Snapdeal, Shopclues, Paytm. And I tell you, first month my sale was only 10,000 rupees. Next month 1 lakh. Within 6 months, I went on to 20 lakhs. Within
Wow.
1 year, per month, it was per month. And within 1 year, it was 30 lakhs per month. What I mean, my product was being purchased through this, online masters in 29, 25 districts rather, not districts, 25 states. I was
Wow.
proud. And then I was having one person sitting in my factory just to see after 7 days of delivery to the customers. What is the feedback? What is the feedback? What is the feedback? They were telling it was okay, no, 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 no. What else you want regarding stitching, regarding thread, regarding coloring, regarding anything? So that brand went up and up every day. So chances are there you will have to meet all these. We will be discussing offline also, but that definitely that is going to give you a wonderful touch. So now coming on to next question, my friends, just be serious, not serious by heart, just in focus. deep focus, and listen what Sarita is telling. Sarita, how can people support your mission and help spread awareness about adaptive wear in India and beyond?
Thank you so much for this question. Awareness is definitely the primary challenge we face. क्योंकि जब पता चलता है, I have seen that people are ready to invest and people are ready to, experience comfort. Pain किसी को नहीं चाहिए. But this is such a new concept. बहुत लोगों को ये मतलब it doesn't even come as an idea कि यार ये इतनी easily solve हो सकता है. क्यों पेन झेलना है, राइट? बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज जब भी कोई एक मेडिकल कंडीशन होता है, किसी की सर्जरी हो रही, यू हैव 100 थिंग्स ऑन योर हेड, सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू मैनेज, एंड people don't realize that this is a thing that can be easily solved. So awareness is the only way we can take this brand to the next level and we can help solve others challenges. So I definitely need a lot of help in generating awareness about these clothings. So I would request all of the viewers to please share it with your friends and family and whoever you think would need this, or even if they don't need, please share it, because I'm sure they'll be knowing other people who can benefit from this.
Very
Like
correct.
you said, it's for a cause, so please help, share, and support.
Definitely, it will be done, and through this podcast, and if need, we will be doing another podcast also. But I am with you because it is wonderful humanity ground you are doing service to the people. So now coming on to the final round of rapid fire, one word or
Oh
one sentence.
my God.
Be ready, and I am seeing your excitement, beta. Wonderful.
Absolutely.
So one word that describes your Anukul.
Comfort.
Wonderful. A role model who inspires you in business or life.
My dad. So my dad is also an entrepreneur, and a lot of that has come to me from him. And on a regular basis, I keep talking to him about where we are and how we can go. So yeah, my dad.
And I was thinking you will be replying the same way because I met your father. He is really a gem and serving after retirements. Like I am also retired for last 1 year, but I am retired, not tired. That's why I am working every day. Sarita, 12 hours every day. Learning digital
Absolute
marketing.
kudos to you.
Thank you, thank you. So next question comes, tea or coffee? What fuels your day?
Actually, neither. I don't drink tea, coffee, alcohol. I'm like, I
Wonderful.
survive on water. I
You
I
are
drink like 3, 4 liters of water every day.
wonderful. That is what I am doing. I am doing 5 liters of
Oh,
water, and I will advise everyone go for it. And tea and coffee you are not drinking. Modern girl is not drinking. That is special compliments to you. And I will have to clap. And my people
oh
will
my God.
say you good luck and keep your best health. Next, coming on to the next question. Your go, just a minute. Your go-to way to relax after a long day.
I love playing sports, so I play badminton at times, or just go for a walk, and that's typically my go-to way to relax.
Wonderful. And I tell you, all my viewers, especially to Sarita also,
Mhm.
I want, as I told, fifth point, do every day 10 to 15 minutes of meditation.
Yes.
Life will be on another level. My dear friends, He has made us where our total thinking process stops. He starts his charisma and life will be changed. So start 10 minutes meditation. It is for everyone. And then have sessions with me for Hopno as well as EFT. All these things flavor up the life. And life is only nothing but energy. And energy is moving like here and there. So enjoy that energy. So last question of the day. One quote you live by as an entrepreneur.
Never give up.
Wonderful, wonderful. You are just like me. Oh, great.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Thank
I,
you.
I would really say you have been doing an amazing job every day podcast in the morning and inspire so many others. And the 5 points that you talked about, they're so relevant today. And I would say, your viewers are lucky, they are benefiting, they have something to look forward to on a daily basis. And so selflessly, you're doing with so much energy. Love the energy of the podcast. And thank you so much for hosting me.
And thank you, thank you. And I tell you, Sarita, I have done in 192 days, 192 videos. YouTube may be recognizing it not now or not. I damn care. I started with one viewer, and now at least 50 viewers are coming live with me. So that is life. We can do what we like. We become what we think. So never feel down. I don't know why people are thinking bad, negative, or some suicidal thoughts. When you are working hard and you are having blessings always, always roaring, roaring to go. Sometimes people ask me, sir, why you are writing unicorn? I tell you all are unicorn. Unicorn means we are all made up of 5 elements in our life. What? Mother Earth, then water, fire, air, and space to live by. So, when we are that, why we are worrying? He will take care. You nothing to worry. So, Sarita, I will wish you again. You go on doing this wonderful job. I will be supporting you in and out, and we'll be making it a good brand because people will be loving it. So thank you much, and thank you for coming and sparing your time. And it was really wonderful. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.
One minute at least. Come on. Yes. Wonderful. So, my dear friends, I have come from Chandigarh just to meet you all.
Thank you.
My lecture is over. So, now what I want to tell, I am Unicorn CEO, life coach, motivational speaker in 10x money business and personal development coaching. What I do, I just charge my friends